Welcome back to our channel. Today we are sharing practical advice on Forex trading and financial transactions. In today's video, we'll share 10 ways for Forex money transfer, helping you efficiently and securely send and receive funds across borders. Whether you're a business owner, a traveler, or an expatriate, these methods offer convenience and competitive exchange rates. Let's get started. Number 1. Bank transfers. Bank transfers are a common method for Forex money transfer. Simply initiate a transfer from your bank account to the recipient's bank account. It's important to compare exchange rates and fees among different banks to ensure you get the best deal. Number 2. Online money transfer services. Online money transfer services like TransferWise, PayPal, or Payoneer provide a convenient and cost-effective way to send money internationally. These platforms often offer competitive exchange rates and lower fees compared to traditional banks. Number 3. Foreign exchange brokers. Foreign exchange brokers specialize in currency exchange and international money transfers. They can provide better exchange rates and personalized service, especially for larger transfers. Research and choose a reputable broker to ensure a smooth transaction. Number 4. Mobile payment apps. Mobile payment apps like Venmo, Cash App, or Revolut offer quick and easy ways to send and receive money internationally. These apps often have competitive exchange rates and can be linked to your bank account or credit card for seamless transactions. Number 5. Prepaid Forex cards. Prepaid Forex cards, such as the ones offered by Travelex or Visa, allow you to load multiple currencies onto a single card. They offer convenience, security, and favorable exchange rates. Use them for purchases or cash withdrawals while traveling abroad. Number 6. Cryptocurrency transfers. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum can be used for Forex money transfers. Platforms such as Coinbase or BitPay enable you to convert your cryptocurrency into the desired currency and send it to the recipient's wallet. Note that cryptocurrency values can be volatile. Number 7. International postal money orders. International postal money orders are a reliable option for small-scale Forex transfers. Visit your local post office, purchase a money order, and send it to the recipient's address. It's a secure method, but it may take longer for the funds to reach the recipient. Number 8. International wire transfers. International wire transfers allow you to send money directly from your bank account to another bank account overseas. While they are a traditional option, wire transfers can be expensive due to higher fees and less competitive exchange rates. Number 9. Foreign currency checks. Foreign currency checks, also known as bank drafts or cashier's checks, are widely accepted for Forex money transfer. You can obtain them from your bank, and the recipient can deposit them into their bank account. However, be aware of potential check clearing times. Number 10. Peer-to-peer transfers. Peer-to-peer transfers through platforms like Zelle, Venmo, or PayPal enable you to send money directly to another individual's account. These transfers are often instant and convenient, especially when both parties have accounts with the same platform. And there you have it, 10 ways for Forex money transfer. Whether you're making regular payments, sending funds to family abroad, or managing business transactions, these methods offer various options to suit your needs. Remember to consider factors like exchange rates, fees, convenience, and security when choosing the right method for your Forex transfers.